I don't really know how to say bro's name, so I'm just gonna spell it. Uwullopppe. He asked me to give Trueno another chance. I believe Trueno was an artist from Argentina, but I'll look it up after this. You know what I mean? But we'll see what's going on, and hopefully it's a good song. No subtitles, so I'll think the lyrics afterwards for everybody who doesn't speak Spanish.
Yeah, on the top floor
Oh, never
of the
mind. Got it.
building, flying of your love, are you feel me? Baby, 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 baby. Yeah, Mama race a champion. Tus besos son mi premio. Baby, 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 baby. Yeah. Gracias mamá, estamos bien. El barrio reclama my name. Baby, what you wanna say? Only you press save. Only you y yo. Let me write my pain. Dejo que caiga la rain. Okay. Seguimos apuntando a la cima, llegamos, my hijo te lo prometió. Me saco un pasaje a la luna y la traigo cargada en la espalda solita, babo. Fast life, my bro. Llori, llori, vámonos. Dejemos los malos momentos de lado, sellemos los tiempos pasados, que tengo más cuentos guardados, babo. On the top floor of the building, flying up your love, are you feeling me? Baby, 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 baby. Camino vagando, ando buscándote en la calle, aunque mami ya no queda nada para atrás. Solo palabras de mi paladar. Dicen que van a venirme a buscar, pues vengan. Estoy ready to die, I'm going to buy a house for my mom. Y ahora dónde están, pueden contestar. Quiero de vuelta, mami, turn around. Estoy listo para el próximo.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this is a banger, bro. Instrumental's real good, sounds really good, production works super clean. Whoever the engineer was needs a fucking raise. Video's kind of nuts, I ain't gonna lie to you. And obviously, I don't really know if he's actually somewhere up high in the sky, staying on this looks like a telephone wire pole, but honestly, like a signal tower. But if so, Jesus Christ, bro, bless this dude's heart. Good mix of English and Spanish. Obviously, I know English is a super hard language to learn. So I respect bro for even trying. No bullshit. I'm vibing so far. I like it.
Round. Me bajo pa'l bajo del town. Mami, yo estoy elevado. Como Maidana los dejo knockout. What the fuck are you talking about?
Aaron Rodgers jersey. Whoa, whoa. Don't get me wrong. Aaron Rodgers is a great quarterback. But out of all the American jerseys you choose for American football, you choose Aaron Rodgers? All right.
Me quedan más balas por esquivar. Puedes mirar, baby, te es mi investigarme. Nos vemos flotando en Argentina. Sin terminar, lady, vas a ser mi yal. Me quedan más balas por esquivar. Puedes mirar, baby, te es mi investigarme. Nos vemos flotando en Argentina. Sin terminar, lady, vas a ser mi yal.
And obviously, yes, he cleared it up. I know he's from Argentina. Great song, bro. I'm fucking with it. I'm vibing. All right. And he got good credits too, bro. Let me move my head so I can see all the credits. Good shit. That's a real one right there, bro. Shouting everybody out. I hate when artists don't give credit to nobody, bro, who helped them make their music. All right. This 100% changed my view on dude. Now, obviously, I gotta do 3 songs before I have a real solid opinion on somebody. But right now, we're literally 50-50, bro. Like I know people have filler songs in their careers. I know people do all types of different things. You know what I mean? But this was way better than what I heard before. Cool. All right, cool. Flat 7 out of 10. Good song, bro. The UWU dude on YouTube. I don't know how to say your name, bro. I'm happy you recommended this, honestly. Because honestly, I might never listen to this dude again, just because of how bad the first song was for me. And it's not even like I'm trying to be disrespectful in no way when I say what I say, but it's like, there's just a lot of people just have bad songs in their career, bro. And they get released for whatever reason, either label, money, whatever else, contract obligations, whatever it is. But a lot of those times those songs get recommended to me, bro, and that's my view of somebody. So appreciate you, big dog. No bullshit. Anything good in the comments? Oh, he has the whole lyrics right here. Good shit. I was gonna pull him up in a second, but that works. Rest, what's up, bro? All right, cool. I'm just gonna slow scroll this so nobody doesn't see Spanish. Can I read the comments? I'm grateful somebody in the comments did this. I felt you. I feel you on a spiritual level. You have no idea. You have no idea. There's probably a lot of people feel the exact same way you do, and I'm one of them. Cool. Cool. Appreciate you, UWU. That was a good one.